The phone me version here 11, and it was in 2021, and I'm just upgrade. Yo, 2026 now. Still, me nya upgrade BIB. Me babe show step by step. Me upgrade from Android 11 to Android version 15.
Medical refers na me be use that and nti dia can say me call settings na ma build number ne so 7 times. Emu bia na ma call developer options no. Akwa enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Maybe ko computer ne so na makwa check ya say enema na me enable ye no eye adwuma na me USB cable me dey ba be di adwuma ne nso here nti me ba be plug phone na dey ama computer no na ma share process na ase. After the can be platform tools folder anymore. Na maybe a command prompt or folder any location honoma. The radio enough and any long you're any say search bar honoma na ma search for command prompt. Inti need about ADB devices na ma check here say phone na how connect yampa na say connect here. And as you can see, the list of devices attached to this computer now. And my device na show honor. Meaning say make me at so edi me jumana made no. Inti me boot yako fast boot mode no. Na makwa kwa so if you honor. Na my device na boot here free normal mode no more. Ede akwa fast boot mode no. Ti ahano namba bi di juma na kan. Ti se di ohun se phone de dum ye na san so ye no. Me san so check ya say fast boot mode na detect me phone na say in detect you know. Correct. And also part say detect no. Se di ohun no 1 3 then that was so at fast boot mode. Now to make things simple for myself, any will be a better videos so any DBRT. My command na me use ni na list step by step. Na ma copy a good command prompt one by one. The everybody can maybe unlock bootloader no. That's the fast boot OEM unlock no. And unlocking so my phone na so be formatted. Menyama nyina be share me. That's the reason why my backup data no. Me audio, pictures, videos ni nyina me di kan backup go on. After the akase me to me boasi amande din de djuma wi. And very important say as now we using obey kan nyina bom na di go platform tools folder anymore. So ano enya so na be use command prompt na ko share fast name every baby abio. The bootloader unlocking was successful. I can say messaging me app device no my sense I could settings so no. I could enable developer options no. I can also enable USB debugging mode no. As an actual process no so. See, my main checking here say device no I connect successfully. I will continue to reboot to fast boot mode nibio. And only ADB reboot fast boot no. Now if they can say version 15 fast na make clear no. Me flash it. Inti me shall say free DTBO no so. So I'll continue to flash the boot.img, so that's the boot image. Into lineage recovery, so I've been successfully being installed on my device. I can say boot here called lineage recovery no. Na use ADB side load command so they install it fast na can. Before send that to us no. It can a factory reset and actually be able to be it may go back to apply update no. Na the movie alcohol apply from ADV no. Na my side load it fast na Canadian my phone. To me can check here say my phone na connect here. Na ma continue with the steps na can. The can say they use ADV side load no. Na makwa copy lineage ROM no edi the Bible boot command prompt name. If you and my board.zip the source because fast na me the hood message here no .zip file archive no. And it will take time. Until once all your there, so most of the time they do 47%. Yeah, it is a car to wash man. To us. Okay, so install the Google apps and so no about yes and so umpire no about known. You think remember yes. A car of 47%. Yes, about command no error, meaning that it was successful. It is connected. So I can say myself so about ADV side load nibium. Na J apps no, Google apps no, and so my call picking the din. If it's folder na me the mujuma is here. How about paste the .zip at was. BBI is successful. The can say a reboot phone no. Device na ata Android version 11 now man updated no. BBI boy juma kama. Now it's left for me to set it up to set the MP. Indeed, so phone be or how no say man updated ma bit me a full video with the and mesan so I another one at church new features no me introducing. Minko about phone no na minko say 15 na pepe like it, let's subscribe it. So when you and the homes were unlike it. Next video, the make sure you be installed the apps, the phones.